Today PSA team is going to show you a video on how to book your exam, prepone or postpone it. Firstly, click on the Naati website to register. You can see on the screen. Now please provide your mail ID and also confirm your mail ID here. So I'm providing my mail ID and also confirming it. So after providing both the details, click on register. After that, you need to provide all your details accordingly. Please follow the screen. So it is asking title, given name, middle name if you have any, and your family name, and also your date of birth. Make sure you're providing all the details which should match your identity proof document. So now I'm providing all my details and also my date of birth, and after that click on register, which is under that. Now you will see a notification if you have successfully registered. Yep. Now click here to log in. So please provide your mail ID and your password. You can pick it from your mail ID which is sent by Naati team. Copy the password and click on sign in. Then first time it will ask for a password change. So you need to provide your current password and a new password and also confirm your new password. So make sure that your new password and confirm your new password are same. So after filling these details, click on change password. So I'm just confirming my new password now and then click on change password. Now click here to log in. My page looks like this at the moment. So there are many features like update my details, change my password, manage my tests, my test results, submit an application, my credentials. Okay. So if you want, you can update your info or your personal details in the update my details. So you can see your details like your address, email and phone. In order to send an application, click on submit an application. Now there are 4 options here. Click on credentialized community language testing for Naati CCL exam. So it is highlighting the missing information such as gender and country of birth. So you can fill in all these details. Now your email ID and verify email ID are already there. So after verifying all these details, click on next. Now it is asking about your address and phone number. So please provide your address and phone number in these fields. So these are mandatory fields. So after providing all the information, click on next. So now the question is, why are you taking this test? Click on third option and then next. What language other than English are you seeking? So my language would be Telugu. So next. So you can select your preferred location. It is only online. So now you can see when you might get your exam test dates here. So you can check that. So next. So here you need to upload your Australian sized passport size photo. If you click on Australian passport size, there are some instructions which you need to follow. It will just talk about the size of the photo, and also you need to meet some requirement criteria, such as the photo should be of good quality, it should be clear focused image, and also uniform lighting, plain white background. So your face should look directly at the camera. Your hair of the face. Your eyes should be open and mouth closed. You need to maintain a neutral expression. So you need to follow all these to meet all these criteria. Also, please check the format which is mentioned here. Also the file size, the minimum file size and the maximum file size. Also the aspect ratio should match these criteria. So please do refer this. You also need to upload a passport soft copy. So after that, click on next. After uploading all these documents, so click next. So do you agree terms and conditions? Yes, and then finish. Now I will show you how to prepone or postpone your exam date. Firstly, log into your account and then select Manage Test. If you click on Manage Test, you can see if there is any test date available. Now there is an option to change or reject the test date. So click on that to change your test date. If there are any test dates available, you can see it on the screen. So choose your test dates and click on select this test session, then confirm it. That's it. After confirming the test date, you will receive an email from Naati team which states your test date confirmation. That's it. Please like and subscribe our channel and contact if you have got any other queries. Bye.